If you want to change your profile name on ChatGPT, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can update your name in just a few moments. This is useful if you want your account details to look more professional, match your current name, or simply keep everything up to date. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the OpenAI platform settings page. You can do this by searching for OpenAI platform settings in Google, or by heading directly to the OpenAI platform if you already know the link. Once you're on the site, look for the Organization Settings area. This is where OpenAI keeps account and profile-related options, so this is the correct place to make the change. Next, click on OpenAI Organization Settings. After that, look for your Profile section. In the Settings menu, you should see an option for your profile or personal account details. Click on Your Profile to continue. Now you'll be taken to the Profile page where your name information is listed. Find the Name column or Name field and click into it so you can edit the text. Type in the new name you want to use for your ChatGPT profile, then make sure it's spelled correctly before saving. If the platform gives you a Save or Update button, be sure to click it so your changes are applied. Once that's done, your profile name should update on your account. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in so the updated information appears properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile name on ChatGPT. It only takes a few steps, but it can make your account much more personalized and easier to manage. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.